Hello traders, how are you? I hope you are doing well. You are watching Trading Empire and I am back with another live trading video. So this trade is front of you. I sold this market from this level. This is my stop loss and this is my take profit. Let me explain you the structure of this trade. This is a supply and demand based trading. Let me show you the structure of this trade and why I entered to this trade. So let's start this video. If you see this move, very nice rally. Now market create a base and dropped. So very nice structure in supply and demand trading. Rally base drop. So this zone is called now a supply zone. So let me write here. After this move, market create another base and go up. So this is a drop, base and rally. So this is a very beautiful demand zone. So this is a fresh demand zone. When market created this demand zone, I was waiting to market hit this supply zone. I was waiting for this trade, market go up, pull back, up, pull back, up. So unfortunately I missed that trade. Look at this, how beautifully market touched this supply area and dropped down. So unfortunately I missed that trade. After missed that trade, I was looking for re-entry. I was looking for to re-enter to this trade somehow. So let me explain how I re-entered to this trade. I entered at this level. So let me explain how I re-entered to this trade. If you are seeing, this is a wedge pattern, very nice wedge pattern. Market broke down this wedge pattern by this bearish candles and market was retracing this wedge pattern downline. Let me clear. So we have a nice level here, nice supply here. If you are seeing, this is a rally, base, drop, and now this is a fresh supply zone. So how I enter to this trade, let me show you the 1 hour time frame. When market was retracing this wedge pattern, I draw this trend line. Look at this very beautiful trend line. Market was going up, pull back, going up, pull back, going up, and finally market break this trend line with this bearish engulfing bar. So when market uh, broke this trend line, I entered to this trade from here. Let me back to the H4 time frame. Look at this. When market broke this trend line, I entered to this trade. trade is running in 65 pips so far, and my take profit is 139 to 140 pips. My profit target is 140 pips. So how I set my take profit here? Let me clear this one. If I draw this demand zone, this is a tested demand zone, so market can penetrate it and can test this demand zone, which is a fresh one. So I will take a buy position on this demand zone, then we will look for the buy entries from this level. So this demand zone is already tested at this point and at this point, so I think market can easily penetrate through this demand zone and will test this demand zone in future. This is how forex trading is working, guys. You have to wait until market comes to your point. Market was here, market was here when I start waiting to enter from this area. So the patience is the key in the forex trading. If you do not have the patience, you cannot survive in the forex trading business. So keep patient and wait until market comes to your point. Let me show you the risk to reward ratio of this trade. I am using this Fibonacci expansion tool. So here is my entry. So this is almost 1:2, 1:2 risk to reward ratio. That is very good. So that was the live trading video for today, guys. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe it.